Actually guys, I was gonna film the video outside, but it is so windy. It's probably like the worst day to pick to do a video. My apologies in advance if the wind does mess up part of the video. Anyways, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Danny Z video. So what inspired me to make this video? The other day I was thinking about it. I was driving home, what noise? I was driving home from work and I did it and I was like, wait, I'm pretty sure a lot of Z owners don't even know how to do this, so why not make a video? Back into the car. Okay, so also quick note, for those of you loud exhaust lovers out there, today's your day guys, today's your day. Also guys, before I forget, because I do forget everything, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share with your friends, because the content over here guys, it only gets better. It's like how we're back in the car again. So let me start giving you guys a tutorial on how to do this, what we're gonna do, what it's all about, and how it works. As you guys read in the title, this how to two-step / shoot flames in your 370Z. And my favorite part, without a tune guys. You do not need a tune for this, but you do need a couple things. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, and I hate to break it to you, but if you do not have a manual transmission 370Z, you sadly cannot really do this. Guys, I'm really sorry. And even if you can't do this, I feel like every 370Z owner should still know that the Z can do this. I don't know, it's a really cool feature that nobody talks about, and I just feel like everybody should know about it, so here we go. So again guys, I'm sorry, but you need two things. You need a 370Z that it has manual transmission, as well as you need the sport package right there, which is basically Rev Match or the Nismo edition. You guys already know what you need. Now let's go into the GoPro and show you guys how it's done. GoPro mode. Go into first. So that was basically a little demonstration on how you're supposed to do it. So first, you guys have to turn on the S mode. As you can see right there, I turned it off. You guys can see right there. You click it, turn it on. Now you guys can see it on. And basically the S mode, what it does, it rev matches for you. So you know, when you downshift, basically a little quick explanation. When you downshift into a gear, you have to place your accelerator and match it with you. Well, if you downshift, with the synchro rev match, it accelerates for you. So basically, all you have to do guys is go into 5th gear going around 45 miles per hour, put the car into neutral, and just start whamming that shift knob from side to side, and that's basically how you do it. So let me show you guys again. Alright. Illegal U-turn, nobody needs to know about this. 3rd gear, gotta get up there in 5th gear. You don't even have to go fast for this. Okay guys, so right now we're in 5th gear going 45 miles per hour. All you're gonna do is neutral and start whapping that shift knob back and forth guys. That's all you have to do. I'm gonna attempt to do it on the big camera for you guys. It's a lot harder because the angle isn't as wide, but here you go guys. 3rd gear. Let's go into 4th gear. Alright, now we can go to 5th gear. Alright, so 5th gear, as you can see right there, 45 miles per hour. Take it out of neutral. Woo! And you're two-stepping along the way, baby. Oh man, that's awesome. Now that you guys heard it plenty on the interior, on the inside, I mean, I called Alex so he can come and he can help us out. He's gonna film outside of his car while I'm driving next to him. But before he gets here, I'm gonna set up the camera on top of this little panel. Give you guys a cool sound clip from how it sounds from the outside. Hope you guys enjoy. So I just came and parked the car over here real quick. I don't know. I just thought that scenery in the back, it says road closed, looks really cool. I already did like 2 videos back here already, so forgive me guys, but I can't get over how good this looks. In case some of you are new to the channel and don't really like to watch older videos, let me show you guys, well let me tell you guys why the Z sounds like this, and yeah, why it sounds like this. So I have on non-resonated AM short tails, which is an axle back that's not resonated. I have no cats, well not no cats, no resonators, and I also have no cats, so I have non-resonated test pipes. So basically my car's straight pipe, stock. I have the stock white pipe and then straight pipe. So I don't know, I think it sounds amazing. Honestly, I don't think video does this justice at all guys. This car sounds amazing in real life, and I'm pretty sure everybody can agree with that. not towards my car, just towards your own car. Like when you listen through video, sounds nothing like real life. I know, guys, I know. I also want to touch on that I might get crap for is I put on the title /shoot flames, guys, because you can't shoot flames like this with no tune. Trust me, I had a friend with a 370, I haven't talked to him in a while, but he had intakes and basically sort of the same setup I had, and every time he did this, it shot flames. Like he was going like 60 miles per hour, he put it on neutral, started going like this, and it actually shot a lot of flames, guys. Like trust me, it is possible. I actually forgot how I found out about this. I mean, I had an idea because every time I went like this to shift, a car went boom, but I don't know where I saw it, guys. I really don't remember, and this was like 3-4 months after I bought the car, so I went that long without noticing this. But I noticed, and then I found out that when you go like this, the shift knob, the car goes crazy and goes wah, 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 wah. I have no idea why the tire pressure sensor just came on. I literally put the new wheels in like literally like a month ago, so I have no idea what's going on there. I gotta check the tires. I wanted to tell you guys, I was showing you that I was going 45 miles per hour at like, I think it was like 3,000 RPMs, I'm not sure. Well, I was 5th gear going 45 miles per hour. That might not work for all of you, so I would encourage you guys just to try like different speeds, like maybe 4th gear going 40, 4th gear going 50, 3rd gear going 40, something like that. Just try different things on your car, because you probably don't have everything that I've done on my car, like different air fuel ratios and mods and things like that. So just encourage you guys to do that. And also, if you have a stock Z and you have all this, you can also do that. It won't be as loud, but you can still do it. Hey, Alex just got here. Shout out to Alex, guys. If you enjoyed this video, shout out to Alex. He helped us do it. Guys, take it from me, that never gets old, man. You can't even see me right now. That never gets old. So I'm really happy I just made this video, guys, because I just learned something new. The higher in the RPMs you are and the faster you're going, the louder it's gonna be when you wiggle the shift knob, guys. When you two-step, the louder it's gonna be. It's pretty awesome. As you guys heard from the exterior, it only kept getting louder and louder. That's because I was going faster every time. So that's pretty cool to know. Nothing that I hate more when I'm filming and it gets dark. So as you guys can see, it got dark and I'm already home, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this video tomorrow, because I also want to talk about other things about doing like this two-step thing. Hope you guys are enjoying so far, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, like really quick. Were you guys really waiting for me here all along? I'm just kidding. What is up, guys? As you can see, currently the next day, me over here looking kind of nice, kind of decent. So I wanted to finish up this video today because yesterday did get kind of late after we did those rollers, but that's basically it, guys. That's how you two-step without a tune on your 370Z. Remember, it has to be manual and you gotta have the synchro ref match, but that's basically it, and that's basically how you do it. So basically my job here is done. Now it's up to you guys to go out there, two-step your lives away. Actually, that kind of didn't sound right. Just go out there, have fun, but also be safe, guys. I know you don't really have to go fast, but be safe. Make sure you can do it and just have fun with it. Actually, before we go ahead and end the video for you guys, I did film a couple clips before I got here, so enjoy that. I feel like I haven't really given you guys a lot of two-step examples and just me doing it. So, and if I have given you a lot, then you guys are welcome. I don't know if you can hear me, but here we go, guys. We're going 40, 55 miles per hour, 2,800 RPMs. Here we go. Well, yeah, that's something I learned, guys. The faster you're going in 5th gear or whatever gear you're going, the louder it's gonna be. That's really cool. But I feel like if you pass like 70 miles per hour, there you start like not really as loud, but we'll see. If you're curious, let me know if you guys knew or didn't know about this. The biggest downside, as you guys already saw, you can't really do it standing still. You have to be on a roll. But I mean, guys, it's a lot for not having it tuned, you know. Now that we're back, I hope you guys really enjoyed this informative video. I know you guys love when I do like cool things like this, like when I did the how to do a burnout and other ones. I know you guys like this type of video, so here you go. But if you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, share with everybody. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments below if you've done it before, if you knew about it, and if you didn't, how it went. And yeah, with that said, guys, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time. On to the next one. Peace.